Let's talk about Kubernetes architecture. So the purpose of Kubernetes is to host our application in an automated fashion, so we can easily deploy our application and easily scale up or scale down based on demand. So when we talk about Kubernetes architecture, so Kubernetes architecture is consist of two nodes, like one is master and another is worker node. So we will discuss both of them in a second. We talk about master node. So master node basically handle all the communications in a Kubernetes cluster. So there are four components like API server, scheduler, controller manager, etcd, data store. Etcd, basically we call it as etcd. So when we talk about API server, it's a front end for all the communication happen with the Kubernetes cluster. And when we talk about scheduler, ensure that pod goes on a worker node with ensure that as per the resource availabilities. So in the backend there are multiple things involved to scheduling a pod, like time tolerations or a resource thing. So we will talk about later. And when we talk about controller manager handle all the controllers like replica, node controller, a job to ensure a desired state of the cluster. And when we talk about etcd data store, so it store data in a key value pair. So all the configuration like secret or everything related to the data, so that is stored in a etcd data store. When we talk about worker node, so worker node is basically where the actual application is running. So when we talk about components, so there are kubelet, kubeproxy, container runtime, and pods basically. So when we talk about kubelet ensure container are running as per the specification, and kubeproxy ensure managing networking and forwarding traffic. Container runtime basically run containers like Docker, containerd, etc. And when we talk about pod is the smallest deployable unit in a Kubernetes. So I already explained a pod in a previous video. Please go through it. So I explained like pod is equal to a samosas. So let's remember Kubernetes architecture with a food analogy. So imagine like Kubernetes architecture is like a restaurant kitchen. So where API server is like a waiter who takes the order from the customers, and etcd is like a order registry where all the orders and the kitchen state is going to be stored. And when we talk about scheduler is like a head chef who is passing order to the cooking stations like a node. And when we talk about controller manager, like it's a kitchen manager, ensure everything runs smoothly. And node is like a cooking station where the actual real cooking happens. And kubelet is like a line cook, execute the recipe on the stations. Container runtime like stove and cooking tools where run the containers or cook the food. And pod is like a dish or samosas. The final output contains one or more containers. So that's how you can remember the things. Thanks.